We're off for a walk. Hans has gone back to Germany and his little dog misses him. Looks like he's going to come with us for a walk. Here's a different kind of tree I've never seen before with beautiful flowers. Don't know what it is. Apparently there are milk roads that lead from the mountains down to the shore along the coast, and we're wondering if this might be one. We've been looking for some way to walk up the mountain. Some orchids growing wild in this tree. Sat in the shade and had a rest, enjoying the beautiful scenery. Now we're heading back down. We're almost back to the dinghy. We're going to stop and pick a few mangoes on the way back.